What's up, Arizona Filmmakers? We're here in Tempe, Arizona at Flow Productions. We're about to meet with Jared to show you this high-tech studio, so come follow us. Hey Jared, how you doing?
Good, man. How's it going?
Good. Here you go.
What's up, guys? I'm Jared with Flow Productions. Thank you to AZ Filmmakers for coming down today. We're really excited to show you what we have going on in Tempe, AZ. We are excited to bring you guys a virtual production studio. Let's check it out. All right, guys. We have a green room for you for all of our artists. Got Caleb hanging out, jamming out on the Nintendo Switch.
Everybody, I'm so sorry. I'm in the middle of a big race right now.
Yeah, so we got a nice little vanity for everybody to get their makeup and get their look on. All right, now next door we have our control room, AV control room. Here we have one of our audio engineers, Nick Altenhofen.
Hey, how's it going, guys? This is the control room. We're just working on a previous band mix we did in an earlier session. Just running through tracks, making sure the takes are good. Everything in our studio runs through here. This is the main video audio hub for the entire studio. It's a podcast, XR stage. It all comes in here, gets fed out to wherever it needs to be. We got our viewer here that is showing us the program in our XR stage. Right here we have the video control, and this is our main mixing board for the audio.
All right, guys, on to the next room. We're going to be heading into our podcast studio. This is another one of our audio engineers, Clay.
How's it going, guys? Welcome to the podcast studio. Totally decked out in soundproofing. We got multiple microphones. They're Earthworks Ethos, professional broadcast microphones. We have LED strips all around, a TV that gets captured in the shot so we can put up your logos. The whole thing will look and sound amazing for whatever productions you have. Now I'm going to throw it back to Jared.
Right on, guys. Yeah, this podcast studio is full AV. We have PTZ cameras, custom LEDs so we can brand the podcast. If you want to throw your logo up, change the color of the room so it looks like it fits you, that's what we'll do. All right, guys, let's head to the virtual production studio. Come on in. This is our virtual production studio. Welcome. We have a 30-foot LED wall. We have side LED panels, and we're using Unreal Engine. I'm going to pass it off. We have our Unreal tech sitting back here. This is Kyle.
Hey, how's it going? We're at Flow Productions here. We're just building a scene here to shoot a couple interviews. If you want to come around, you can take a look at what we're doing. Just kind of set dressing a little bit, but we're operating in Unreal Engine 5, which is really beneficial for the realism. And I'll pass it on to Caleb.
Yeah. Hey, how's it going? My name is Caleb. I help with some of the environment development here. So if you want to take a little walk through, this is the engine, and this is, give me a second to zoom out. This is the environment we are working on right now. So you could see what we're trying to do is get a scripting where as soon as we hit spacebar, it causes everything to kind of crash down and reveal the park that's around it. To do that, we're working with two computers, both of which are rendering out to different parts of the screen. So one computer is rendering solely to that back wall there, and then another computer is outputting to these side walls that provide a lot of the fill light for us. Our tracking system here is the motive tracker. So Jared, if you can move that camera so we could see this moving here. Get a close-up of this. So when he moves that camera, we can see it move in our space. And we relay that tracking info to Unreal Engine. And then if you can point up at the truss there, Jared, give it a wiggle again. When he moves his location, or actually roll it to the left, when he moves his location, it tells the engine where to render to the video wall. and that's how we get our perspective shots.
All right, thank you, Jared, so much for giving us a tour of this amazing studio. If anybody's looking to contact you, where can they find you?
Yes, please check us out at flowproductions.com. You can check us out on Instagram, the official _Flow Productions. We are on Broadway and Priest and Tempe, AZ.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.